So today's video is super exciting because it is the second installment in my series about 10 signs that you're blank. So the last video I made in this was about 10 signs that you are addicted to your phone, and today's video is going to be about 10 signs that you are addicted to shopping. So clearly this is not a legit diagnosis video. If you follow all these signs, it doesn't actually mean you have a problem. It's just kind of, you shop a little bit too much. It happens, I do it too. So hopefully you guys can relate to the things in this video, and let me know in the comments down below if you also may have a little bit of a shopping problem. Also, before we get started, I would really appreciate if you guys follow me on Instagram. Most of the clothes I get are actually for Instagram pictures, so if you want to see all the new outfits I'm playing with, then you should go follow me on there. My username is at Ella_Elbells. And yeah, with all that being said, without further ado, let's get started. Ella!
Ella!
Ella! Ella! Ella! Huh. Totally forgot I bought this. I need a new outfit. Mom! Can we go to the mall? Ooh, 35% off? No, Ella. You need to save money. You don't need more clothes. Maybe if I just... Oh my god. That is so cute. And it ends today? Oh my god, I can't miss out on this. This is like a once in a lifetime opportunity. 35% off is kind of a lot. Oh, and those shoes are so cute. It's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it. Ooh. Oh my god! I totally forgot I ordered this. Huh. Cute. Seriously? Not again. Hope y'all enjoyed that video. If you are not already, make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram, a Twitter, and a Snapchat, so go ahead and follow me all of those. And I will see you guys soon.